Before we continue any further, I was recently at the South Devon Railway while away on holiday in Devon. When I went, they were still running steam engines, but at the time of editing this video, they're now running diesels due to the fire risk. In this video, I'll show you exploring Buckfastleigh and Totnes, and the ride from Buckfastleigh to Totnes, because we had to go to somewhere else. So with that, on with the video. Right around the Buckfastleigh station site was various different rolling stock, from locomotives to carriages and wagons. I spent half an hour looking at all the different types of rolling stock, and I could have probably spent a little bit more time, though we had to catch a train. Soon enough it was time for the train to depart to Totnes. After leaving Buckfastleigh, our next stop was Staverton. At this point in the journey, we're arriving into the loop, just outside of Staverton Station. We didn't get off at this station, but as we were passing through, I managed to film some of the stock and stuff that was kept there. We were also waiting for the other train to pass, going the opposite direction. This was the Oliver Brown locomotive in the green and pink livery. At this point in our journey, we leave in Staverton, heading towards Totnes, the final destination for my trip along the South Devon Railway. At this point, we're now arriving in Totnes. This was our final destination for our journey along the South Devon Railway. We had a quick look at all the other pieces of old stuff that were kept here before having to go and leave the railway to go elsewhere for the day. We even quickly saw the steam engine running on the train.
Anywhere for a minute.
Yeah, they've got a special